Your OL1 is a sophisticated leak-locating microphone array. Each of the 3 discs on the front of your device have 8 MEMS microphones, which are capable of detecting sound energy from 10 kHz up to 80 kHz. The limit of the audible range that we can hear would typically be up to 20 kHz. Our solution uses these steerable microphone arrays to locate and track the leak source. Because our solution focuses on the high-frequency sound content of the leak, the OL1 works even when you are looking for leaks that are inaudible to the user, or when searching for leaks in industrial areas with high background audible noise. Once a leak is located, our device will calculate the volumetric flow using the sound energy recorded by the device. Some user inputs are required at the start to define fluid characteristics and the financial and energy critical details. This input data supports the Prosaris real-time calculation, and with Prosaris-derived factors, we equate the relationship between sound energy received and flow at the source. Your OL1 attaches directly to the back of your mobile device. The Prosaris app downloads from the Google Play Store. When you download the app, the first screen will be the login page, where you can also register your Prosaris OL1. The account that registers the device will have the company admin privileges, and the admin can add other basic users in the company. Once you have registered, log into your device. The first screen you will see will be the home screen. Top left corner are your settings, top right you will see your battery health indication, and the main home page will provide your modules. Find a leak, leak records, assigned actions, and scan tag. You can check your current app version and connected device's firmware version from the settings page to ensure you are using the latest version. 2 key points to note here are that you will need Wi-Fi connection for this phase, and your device serial number, which is found on a card in your OL1 box and on the back of your packaging. Also, please make sure that when you receive your OL1, that you charge your device as well as your tablet or mobile device before starting. Once logged in, you will find yourself at the home page. From the home page, start with Find a Leak. The initial settings allow you to set process fluid specifics, which support volumetric flow determination, and a simplified approach to energy determination for both kilowatt hours and loss. Support for these settings can be found on the Prosaris Resources webpage. When ready to continue, you will move to the Leak View screen where you will scan the area for leaks. Key features on the Leak View screen include dB peak and dB live values, the calculated flow, and corresponding energy or financial estimates. Settings provide your real-time FFT to check for background interference and to set both upper and lower bounds accordingly. The FFT is a key place to visit at the start of each audit. This gives the user an indication of the background facility noise characteristics. We typically advise users to set their lower and upper bounds to 30 kHz and 50 kHz respectively. Most air leaks will have good frequency content in this range, and you will find that larger leaks have a wider range with content past 50 kHz. Repeating sound sources in your facility, these may be visible by peaks on your FFT in general facility areas where no leaks are expected to be present. If this is the case, adjust your lower and upper bounds to set your range outside of the frequencies of interference. Now you are set. Press play and follow the orange arrow in the direction of the leak. When the arrow moves to the inside, you are getting close, and when the 3 arrows appear, you are on target. If you suspect that you have more than one leak in a confined area, try the narrow view feature. This steers each of the 3 digital microphone arrays, focusing detection just on the center point of the screen. This feature would be similar to adding a nozzle to more traditional audible ultrasonic devices. Once your leak has been located, 3 factors are now critical to support accurate leak quantification: distance, angle, and leak profile. For distance, simply adjust the slider to your estimated distance and maintain that distance from the source until you have completed the scan. For angle, it's important to note here that the sound energy will not be distributed uniformly in all directions from the source. There will be areas where the sound energy is higher than others. We are looking for the peak dB that the user can record whilst maintaining the same set distance. Move around the leak source and you will see the live dB range up and down, and the peak dB will hold the max value. When you find that max value, hold that position and angle to the source. Then capture your photo, pinpoint the leak, and record more critical data about your leak. Leak type profile will have an impact on quantified flow. This is a user choice best judged at the time of scan record, or based on the photo if reviewing later. More support can be provided here within the Prosaris Resource Center. With your leak scan completed, the leak records can be viewed on your mobile device and include leak component data, leak location, and repair details to support strategic leak management. Data within the leak record, once entered, will hold for subsequent records to reduce data entry for duplicated details associated with your audit. The Prosaris Smart Tags option allows the user to physically tag leak locations and quickly link that tag to the full details available on the leak record. Approved users will then only require the app in order to return to the leak at a later date, repair and record resolution actions including time and material. Back on the homepage, you will see two additional modules, Leak Records and Assigned Actions. On the Leak Records module, you will be able to create your own search criteria and build out your columns as best fit your data structure. The funnel icon at the top right of the matrix engages the search and filter function. You can also identify any records which have not fully synced to your cloud platform and sync from this screen. The last module on the homepage is Assigned Actions. This feature is enabled for company platform and super company platform users and allows your company user profiles to assign activities to team members for planning or resolution. An important point to note here is that record syncing with your cloud-based leak management platform requires manual action. The sync feature page is accessed via the settings, the three bars on the top left of your app screen on the homepage. Having synced all of your data, you will be able to see the same level of detail offline from your desk in the cloud-based leak management platform. The Prosaris Leak Management Platform allows you to build reports, chart your progress, assign actions to team members, and track leaks from record through to resolution. Company and super company layers support team management and sub-company or facility management and comparison. These layers and solution capabilities are essential for companies and organizations that take a strategic approach to their energy and leak management.